Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the best drugstore contouring products. I will show you the top 5 under $10, and I also have one bonus because this one is not $10. It is a little bit more expensive, but I still want to show it to you. Let's start with the matte bronzing powder by Catrice Cosmetics in the shade medium bronze. This is a silky soft powder. It has a warmer brown color and it is very easy to blend it on the skin. After that we have the face-to-face contouring and highlighting palette by Essence. In this palette we get 8 shades. We have 3 matte contouring shades, 2 matte highlighting shades, 2 shimmer highlighting shades, and 1 glittery highlighter that I never use. With this type of palette you can find the correct shade for you for contouring and highlighting your face according to your skin tone, and all the shades are blending very nice into each other. This palette is very convenient because we also have a mirror and the packaging is super pretty. We continue with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. In this one we get 1 matte highlighting shade and 1 matte contouring shade. These are buttery soft. I never had a patchy application with these 2 powders. You can also find this palette for darker skin tones, and the shades are highly pigmented and very easy to blend on the skin. Following that we have the Baked Bronzer by Makeup Revolution, and I got this one in the Makeup Revolution advent calendar. You can find in their website some other shades of this baked bronzer. This one is not completely matte. It gives a very nice sheen to the skin. It looks like a healthy glow. It's not shiny. It is what I have now on my skin, on my cheekbones. It needs a little bit of time to build the intensity, but it looks super natural and I like how it blends on my skin. Afterwards we have the Get Picture Ready contouring palette by Essence. In this one we have 3 shades in matte finish, 2 contouring and 1 highlighting shade. You can also mix the shades and then apply them on your skin. They blend very nice into each other, and you can also blend the edges of your blush and contouring application with this highlighting shade. These palettes, they don't contain the same shades. The bonus palette is this one here by NYX Cosmetics. This is the Highlight and Contour Pro palette. As we can see we have 8 shades in this palette, 4 matte contouring shades, 2 matte highlighters and 2 shimmer highlighters. The price of this palette is $20. It is more expensive, but I still wanted to have it in this video because the shades are highly pigmented and they blend very nice into each other. All of these products are looking very nice in photos and also in videos. These are the products that I use all the time in my videos. If you want to start practicing on other people, you can get some of the palettes and start experimenting. If you want to see more reviews of drugstore products, I will have a cut here with a playlist that I have done, so you can find all the videos together. Share this video with a friend that likes drugstore products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these contouring products and which one is your favorite. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!